Trading is often marketed as something anyone can do. All you need is motivation, a strategy, and some screen time. But the truth is more complicated. Trading is not for everyone, and understanding that early can be one of the most important decisions a person ever makes. Welcome to the Phantom Trader world, where clarity comes before execution. The market does not reward desire or effort alone. It rewards behavior under uncertainty. Every trade places you in a situation where the outcome is unknown. You make a decision, commit capital, and then wait without control while probability unfolds. Some people are energized by that uncertainty. Others are slowly drained by it. This difference has nothing to do with intelligence. It has everything to do with psychological tolerance. One of the biggest misconceptions is believing that failure in trading comes from lack of knowledge. Many people assume that if they just learn more indicators or more strategies, the struggle will disappear. But trading rarely fails at the level of information. It fails at the level of execution. If uncertainty creates anxiety rather than focus, trading becomes exhausting. If losses feel personal, trading becomes emotionally expensive. If delayed results create frustration, trading becomes a constant source of stress. The market does not adapt to your emotional needs. You either adapt to its structure or you fight it. Another strong signal that trading may not be for you is the need to be right. Markets do not reward correctness. They reward risk control and consistency. If every losing trade feels like proof of failure, decision-making becomes distorted. You hesitate when you should act. You act impulsively when you should wait. Over time, this cycle creates burnout rather than progress. Professional traders do not seek validation from outcomes. They seek alignment with their process. They understand that being wrong is normal. What matters is whether losses stay within planned boundaries. There is also the issue of boredom, something rarely discussed. Most of trading is waiting for conditions, waiting for confirmations, waiting for nothing to happen. If you need constant stimulation, trading becomes dangerous. You begin to manufacture opportunities. You confuse activity with productivity. Markets punish that behavior quietly and consistently. Lifestyle also plays a critical role. Trading demands clarity, sleep, focus, emotional regulation, routine. These matter more than most people expect. If your life is chaotic, trading amplifies that chaos. If your decisions are impulsive, trading magnifies the consequences. This is why many capable, intelligent people struggle with trading, not because they lack skill, but because their habits conflict with probabilistic environments. Financial pressure is another critical factor. If you need money urgently, trading becomes survival-based. Decisions shift from logic to fear. Risk increases without being noticed. Trading is one of the worst environments for desperation. The market does not feel pressure, but your behavior does. In those conditions, trading stops being a profession and becomes emotional gambling. Recognizing that trading is not for you is not failure, it is self-awareness. Some people are better suited to investing, where decisions are slower and pressure is reduced. Others thrive in analysis, education, or building businesses around markets, rather than trading them directly. Trading is a role, not a measure of intelligence or worth. The most damaging decision is forcing yourself into a role that conflicts with your psychology. Markets do not care how badly you want success. They respond only to consistency and discipline. If trading constantly damages your mental health, disrupts your life, or creates emotional instability, stepping away is not weakness. It is strategic maturity. For those who are suited to trading, the path is long, quiet, and often uncomfortable. For those who are not, recognizing that early can save years of frustration and unnecessary loss. Trading is not for everyone, and accepting that truth is often the first professional decision a person can make. If this video added clarity to how you see trading, support this work. An interaction tells the algorithm this foundation matters. A subscription tells me to keep building it with you.